Good morning everybody, I'm Ramesh. This is the first video of Angular 2 video tutorial series. Angular 2 is the latest version of Angular. It is a little bit different than earlier Angular version. Like in here we use component just like classes in Java. It is very easy to work with objects using component, and there is not using controllers and scope. Here we use only component, and dependency injection is become very easier, and mostly the main support Angular 2 is main support TypeScript. We can use JavaScript also, but Angular 2 team is mainly use TS for TS as in their main language. So we will see what we can do with Angular 2. This is a little video that say hello Angular 2. So I'm going to use Visual Studio Code as my IDE. Okay, and I'm going to open I need to create new folder for this application. I name this application as tutorial. Okay, let's open that. Okay, to this application, in here there is file called index in my project folder, index.html. okay, and there will be package.json. okay, then another file called tsconfig.json. so these are the files in my project folder, and I'm going to create another folder in the project folder called app. In here we're going to add the component and all other codes in this app. So I'm going to create package.json. In package.json I'm going to copy and paste the source, and I'm going to explain what it is. So here it is. You can find it in angular.io docs, a quick start. And so I'm going to copy that and paste in package.json. okay, and here this is the name. I'm going to call it as tutorial. Okay, tutorial, and this is scripts. These are commands you can run with npm. I will show when we run the our application. We use npm start, then this command will run. okay, and then dependencies, the libraries that need to run Angular 2 application. So Angular 2 system.js, ESC, promise, zim, reflect metadata, RxJS, zone.js, like these libraries we need to run our application. So the dependencies mean these libraries we need only when developing our application, like TypeScript, like server, like those libraries. So I'm going to save it. I'm going to terminal and cd I'm going to project HTML, and I'm going to tutorial. Okay, now we have to run npm install. Before we run npm install, you should have node.js and node package manager in your system. Do that, you can go to this option, how to install node.js. You can see how to install node.js and then how to install npm in your system. So now I'm going to I already have installed npm and node.js in my system, so I'm going to run npm install command. Install. So now it's running, and it's getting some time, so I'm going to pause this video. So we will meet after this npm install command is terminated. Our npm install command is terminated, and if there is no any red error, that will be okay. So if we see our project folder, there should be node module folder called node module there. This is the folder, and in there will be the libraries that we need in our application, and these are imported very easy with npm, not package manager. So now we finish our packaging. Now I'm going to create tsconfig JSON file. So just like that, I'm going to angular.io, and I'm going to copy paste the code. This tsconfig is say application to compile those ts file into the JavaScript file. Okay, I'm going to copy and paste. I'm going to save it, and it is finished. Now we're going to create our first component. In the app folder, we're going to create our first component, and we call it app.component.ts. TypeScript extension for TypeScript is ts. So look at this Visual Studio Code already identified this is a TypeScript file, and it has a TypeScript plugin, so it is very easy to work with Visual Studio Code. So I'm going to, first of all, I'm going to import component from angular2 core. Then I'm define this component in my application. Component, and in here you can see how the argument you can add in a component. So in here I'm going to first define a selector. I call it as my app. I will show where that is used, okay, and later in this video. selector, and I'm going to define template. In template, I'm going to say what I'm going to display in my application. So I'm going to create h1 tag, I'm going to say hello angular, hello angular 2. Okay, now later tutorials I'm going to say how we connect all HTML file as a template using a template to our components. So it is we will see those later. So now I'm going to define the class. If we need to import this class in another component, we have to define this component as export. If we do not use export keyword, we can't use in another component. This F component we can't use in the component. Export class app component and here we can create function, all those things in here, but I'm going to keep it empty, and I'm going to move to the next file in the it's called boot.ts. okay, in boot.ts we will going to define what component must be run first when the application run, what component must be the boot. So I'm going to import bootstrap. This not the bootstrap themes. Okay, it's like don't complex with the bootstrap. This is any bootstrap, things like that. Okay, bootstrap from angular 2 platform browser. Let's see, browser. Then I'm going to import my F component for F component from. I'm going to give the absolute path. This is same, it is same directory, and where is boot.ts, and I'm going to give the name component. Now it's have imported the component. I'm going now bootstrap and say what component needs to run first. And here I'm going to give app component, and when the application is done, this will load the app component first. So it is finished. I'm going to we just need to create the index HTML. So I'm going to copy and paste index, and I'll explain what it is and what have I done in there. So I'm going to copy that. I'm going to paste them. Okay, in my head I have an angular2 as title, and I have import this script to the script based libraries to the index. These libraries are needed to show an angular2 application. So first one is angular2 profile. It is in a here, not angular2 bundles, and there you can say profile polyfills JS, and just like this we have imported libraries that need to run angular2 application. In here, this system config package. In here we say this I think in my knowledge I think this is the way I say ts file what extent what to ts file we write our component in ts, and this is a system must need to be JS file. Okay, then we have to compile those TS file to JS file. That's what happened. That's where in TS config we say how to compile those TS file to JS file. In here we say when we go to browser where we need to go first. Okay, let's go to boot.ts, and in boot.ts say load the app component. Okay, in the body we use our selector in here. Okay, now make app component my app, and we use my app, it will be show this. Okay, this will be need to be load. Okay, we will see. Okay, we save this one, and I told you that I will, so we are going to use those scripts. So in here I'm going to run npm start. When I run this start, this will be execute. So I'm going to run npm start. Okay, that's how it's started, and compilation complete. Now there we go. This is the what we expected. We can move. This is my first video, and I'm going to stop the video from here. Next video we're going to discuss about how we're going to use another component in another component like this. Until that, you can subscribe my channel. You can ask any problem regarding that with comment. You can comment, you can like. Until next video, goodbye.